This is 28 to 70 mm zoom lens from Canon. It comes with a special control ring that lets you change settings quickly without going into menus. Here's a control ring. It works like an extra dial on the lens. You can adjust settings with your left hand while keeping your right hand on the shutter. This ring is separate from the focus and zoom rings. Now let's set it up for the Canon R6 camera. Please note that the menu steps may look slightly different on other Canon cameras. Press the menu button. At the top you will see all the main menu tabs. Go to the Custom Functions tab. Select Customize Dials. Here you will find options for the main dial, quick control dials, and the control ring. Pick the specific function you want it to control. This screen also shows where the control ring is on the lens. For the demo, let's set it to ISO, since the R6 already has dials for aperture and shutter speed. Switch the camera to manual mode. This is optional. Right now the ISO is set to 250. Turn the control ring. The ISO value changes. Just rotate the ring and the camera updates the ISO settings for you. Each RF lens with a control ring can be customized separately, so changing lenses won't affect your setup. It's a very handy feature and definitely worth considering.